Hi, this is Monica with Run, Repeat, and I am packing to go to Orlando because the Run Disney Wine and Dine Half Marathon is this weekend, and I'm running it. And it was kind of a last minute thing. An opportunity popped up. I decided to go for it, but everything thereafter has been last minute. Planning travel, booking it, obviously packing, figuring out my costume, all of the above. So I am gonna show you my whole packing situation. It has been a long time since I have traveled for a race, so I'm a little anxious about it. I made what I think is a very thorough packing list, but as I go through it, we're gonna see if I forgot anything. And then I'll share this on runnyrepeat.com. So if you are traveling for a race, traveling for the Disney World Marathon weekend that's coming up, or any other race, maybe this will be helpful to you. I have my suitcase and it is empty. So I need to fill it up with everything I need. I'm going to first prioritize everything I need for the race because that's what I'm most anxious about. And I also have packing cubes, which I'm a huge fan of for all travel, but especially for races. Very, very helpful. And yeah, let's just start on the list. First thing I'm gonna pack is race gear. And when I'm packing for a race, I usually make a flat runner. Basically, everything that you're gonna wear from head to toe, lay it out so that you know that you have everything. It's a good visual check. The little speed bump in this situation is because this is a Run Disney race, because I love a costume situation, I plan on wearing a costume and I don't have that nailed down yet. So I need to figure that out because what I'm wearing for the race goes all underneath that. I have some options, might have to do a quick arts and crafts situation, wish me luck, but that's what I'm starting with. So I'm gonna go get that stuff. This is what I would probably wear to a race right now if I wasn't going to wear a costume. But since I am, I'm gonna put the costume over this. I put all the clothes I'm gonna wear for the race in a packing cube. Plus I put a poncho in there. I might wear that before the race. I might put it in my checked bag. I might not use it at all, but that's in there. That is just clothes. For all of the other accessories, gear, tech, whatever you want to call it, I always put it in a separate plastic baggie with everything I want in this baggie written on it in Sharpie. Kind of hard to see, but this helps because when you're going to race, a lot of times, if you are anxious like myself, I worry, did I forget something? I actually did forget when I went to go run the New York City Marathon, which a massive race that was so important. It's such a big deal. I forgot my watch. Rookie mistake. I don't understand how I did that. Anyways, I have all of that written here. Also, I'm going to use some of this stuff. I'm going to use my watch and my headphones tomorrow morning before my flight. I am going to run. So not everything is going to be able to be in here as I zip this up when I'm done right now, or I'm gonna take some stuff out. So little helpful trick, and now I can cross off the things here that I have so far. That took a lot longer than I expected, packing all of my toiletries and makeup. There's a lot of stuff. This is kind of the longest list of things, which is surprising, but I don't know, maybe not. I also put my makeup in a gallon-sized plastic bag, separate from the toiletries, because I'm gonna use it again in the morning, and just wanna make sure that anything I take out, I put back in so I don't forget anything after all of this packing effort. Before I pack it, I wanna show you how weird I am, / my cool thing that I use for supplements. I kind of take a lot of supplements, and I'm at peace with that. I need to take calcium and spread it out enough so that it's properly absorbed throughout the day. So this has 4 compartments. This is just one day. This isn't a whole week. This is a whole week. And you can just though take out the days that you need when you're traveling. So I'll take out Friday through Monday of these, and then I'm good to go. Next we have check bag. I'm not sure if I'm going to used this service yet on race morning. I have anything that I would need with me if I wanted to check a bag. Not all races provide this as an option. Run Disney does, but you have to check the website, your race website. Even if you are running a Run Disney race, it could vary from race to race, to make sure that it's an option and whether or not they give you the bag or you are supposed to use your own bag, which oftentimes has certain size limits or size requirements. So check that if you are running a race, considering checking a bag. Things that go in a check bag are a jacket or sweatshirt, a change of clothes, another pair of shoes or sandals if you want to swap out, medication, any supplements you need, fuel, electrolytes, hand sanitizer, etc. There's space in here too. If I think of anything else, I could write it in. And then finally, technology. My phone charger, the headphones, charger, my running watch, all of that. I duplicated here just so that if I want to pack them separately, I can do that and I know where they are. So I'm done with race day and now I need to pack for the rest of the trip, which is mostly just clothes, but I'm gonna do that and I'll check in before I zip it all up. There was a change of plans. I had another idea for a costume and had to go get the supplies and then make it. I was up till midnight, which is wild for me. Making it, I just zipped up my suitcase and now I'm off to the airport. So I'll see you there.